everyone, let's do a different kinds of hairstyles in our video today. So here I'm using an hair, folding it twice and then again using a rubber band, and here's a beautiful French flat. So I'm twisting the hair, taking them and just placing into another hair and then put a clip on it. So take a half part of your hair and do a ponytail and then twist them, and here's a beautiful bun that has been made to the hair. Let's take a plait on the other side and same way plait it and put a rubber band, twist the hair and then make it like a flower. Same way combine the plait and put a clip. So take a one more side, twist them into two ways and put a rubber band, make it in a French plait way and then put a clip. So next I'm doing a ponytail and then twisting my hair of both the sides using an hand and then put a rubber band and then place over them to the first part of the hair and clip it. Take out two sides of the hair and twist them, put a plait of 3 and then after the plait put a rubber band. So take a half part, twist them, take another half part and twist them, put a clip. A half part is taken, twisting them, another side of the half part is taken, put a rubber band, same way it is done, again a beautiful flower is being made. So tie them to hairs and put a rubber band and use a ponytail. Loose the hair, twist the hand and place over the rubber band. A ponytail is taken, divided by 2, then tie a knot onto it and again tie a knot, and here's a beautiful bun that has been made. So a rubber band is taken, divided by 2 and then twist them, take our hair clip, make a beautiful hair bun. So a rubber band is being taken and the ponytail is being done. So I am taking a one more side of the hair and twisting it by 2 and put a rubber band. So divide the hairs by 2, put a plait and here's a beautiful French plait with a tiny clips of hair that has been made. So let's go on, then rotate it and make a beautiful hair plait. So take a comb, twist the hair and put a plait onto it and then put a rubber band, twist the hairs slowly, put a clip onto it and twist them and place over the hair. So divide it by 2, the half part of the hair and then twist them using a rubber band. Take a head half hair and plait them with a tiny and put a rubber band over it and clip the hair. So rubber band is done and twist them, and here is a beautiful bun that has been made. Take on one more side of the plait and again twisting them and then put a plait over it, twist them. After the twisting, put a clip onto it, and after the clip is been done, and here's a plait that has been done. Slowly a rubber band is being done and twisted, and here's a bun that has been done and the clip is being placed. So after the clip is being placed, a rotation of the ponytail is being done and here's a beautiful bun. Divided by 2 the hair and again use one more plait and twist them and make a flower onto it. A rubber band is used into the hair and twisting the hair is being done, and again one more twisting and a clip is being used. Same way for the whole the hairstyle, twisting is being done. Thank you.